Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later from our college, I get to know about XLR and I enrolled in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he's doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge. Here they're not only focusing on study, they're also conducting different exams to test our knowledge, and as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped, so I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came from for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you, XLR, for giving these courses. I learned a lot from this. I gained the more knowledge from here. And thank you for XLR for teaching us.
Hello guys, I'm Vikram Mahajan and I'm studying in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology College, and I came across a training program which was mobile app development using Flutter, which was given to us by XLR Solutions. I came across this program through my college faculty who told us about this program, that it is a very good course and you should enroll in this course. So I enrolled in this course, and initially I felt really good about this course because they started everything from a very basic point of view, that even if someone who doesn't know anything about Flutter or anything about mobile app development can also learn the same way the ones who know about it are learning. So no student was left behind and everyone was given equal attention. All the doubts throughout the course were cleared. And if we had any questions also, we were like, the trainer was also ready to stay for a longer time than it was scheduled, even for the sake of doubts. So that shows how important the students are to them. So it was a really good experience with XLR's program, and by the end of the training program, I was able to develop my own application. And through the development also, there was another point. So our sir taught us about how we can connect our own mobile phone to our laptop and write code in our laptop, and you can see the output in your phone, which is really creative and interesting for me. I felt really good about that. So in the end, I developed my own mobile application. I showed it to my mother, I showed it to my friends. I felt really good about it. So I would really suggest XLR. I would recommend it to all my friends to take courses from here, as they focus on the children, focus on the students, and they focus on what's necessary, that is the students' doubts gets cleared and everything else. So today I came down to the XLR office to collect my certificate. So I got to know about what other courses XLR is offering. It included data analysis, data analyst, social media marketing, and full stack Java, and many more courses which were interesting, and they gave us an insight of how everything happens. And they take you through the course from the starting of the course to the end, and what next, that is placements as well. How you should be going into the interviews and how you should be approaching to companies, your resume building, and there were so many things which XLR is going to help you in, and they are ready to give you all the knowledge required even if you are a beginner. So I really felt good about this visit, and I would really recommend XLR to everyone who's listening to this, and also to all my friends, that I had a very good experience with XLR, and I would suggest you to experience the same. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Satish and I am from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology. I am here to share my experience about XLR program. I took part in the XLR program that was conducted in the last month about the mobile app development using Flutter. What I liked the most about this session was the trainer started from the scratch. That means even the beginner who don't know about the basics of the program, even they can learn the most from this program. It gave me hands-on experience by developing a project which was the final outcome. Thank you XLR for giving me this opportunity, and I would also recommend all my friends to take part in the XLR programs. Thank you.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person, where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course, and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching, and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
I was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later from our college, I get to know about XLR and I enrolled in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He's not only focusing on theory part, he's doing how real digital marketing works. And it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge. Here they're not only focusing on study, they're also conducting different exams to test our knowledge. And as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped. So I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came from for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you XLR for giving these courses. I learned lot of from this. I gained the more knowledge from here. And thank you for XLR for teaching us.
Yeah, good evening, students. My voice is audible. Yeah. Okay. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. I just share the screen. Yeah. Thank you for the response. Okay. Yeah, good evening. Good evening. Good evening. So today we are going to the second topic of SEO, technical SEO. Before you just get a glance about the last on-page SEO. Okay, in last classes we discussed about SEO, right? Just a glance. So in SEO we discussed about its search engine optimization, right? In search engine optimization, it's completely about unpaid search. Okay, it's completely about organically it will be paid. There will be different types of SEO types will be there: on page, off page, technical, local, content, e-commerce. This will be seen in before. So last day we can discuss about on page SEO also. So on page SEO means it's improving parts of your website to make it easier for search engines to understand. Okay, so these things we discussed last. What are the on-page techniques? There will be title tag, meta description, URL structure, header tag, alt text, image optimization, internal linking. These are the things we discussed about techniques. So just go to a glance for title. For example, this is the page. This is the iOS development company. So for every page, title will be here. See here, title will be here. If you go to Control U, give it a Control U. Just type Control F title. So for every page, title will be here. In the title, keyword must be optimized. These things we discussed last week itself. So title will be there. Okay. So if you go to description for the same page, type description. So here description will be there. In description you're having keyword also be there. So this is a title description. So if you go to URL, in this URL also you're having this keyword. So this is URL optimization. Okay. So if you go to heading tags, this is the H1 tag. So this is the H1 tag. H1 tag also this keyword will be having. So the next title H2. The other titles are H2. If H2 is break into H3, these are H3. So these are heading tags. Okay. So these are all discussed. For image, we give some text that is called alt text. Okay. Then if you go to see internal links, if you go to any page, there will be multiple links will be there. These are all internal links. Internal links in the sense, if I click to this, it's going to hybrid developer. It's going to the same website with different page. So it is an internal link. If it's completely, it's going to the next website. if I go to this LinkedIn, it will go into the new website. So it is an external link. Got it. So these things we covered last week. So today we are going to see about the second topic in SEO. The second type is technical SEO. Okay, clear. So in this technical SEO, we discussed about if you want to rank in Google, simply I'm saying this, if I'm searching something. So digital marketing, I can search for this digital marketing in the network. Okay. So this is ranking first. Okay. So this is ranking first. So why it is ranking first? Because of on page first metric is on page. Second is a technical SEO. Even technical SEO also we need to apply for this. Then only it will be ranking here. Okay. So in this session, we discuss about completely about technical perspectives in SEO techniques. Okay, how to gain visibility, how to rank in Google results, then how to build our website architecture and performance. So these things we covered here. Step by step, we can go for this. In technical SEO also, there will be multiple concepts covered. Okay, these are the technical things: sitemaps, canonical URL, schema markup, redirection, Google Code Orbital, Google Page Insights, mobile friendly site, security, robots.txt. Okay. So these are the metrics we need to check for this. And these we need to optimize in every site, then only it quite helps to ranking in Google. Okay, we can see one by one. The first one is sitemap. Okay, what is sitemap? See, if I go to this site, see, you just seeing here, there is Node.js develop. This website have multiple services. Node.js development company, Drupal development company, Android development company. Like that, they're having multiple services. You can see they're having multiple links here. You can see here. But how Google can understand this website? Google understand this website through sitemap only. Okay. So see here, if I go to this, click here, sitemap.xml. I typing this sitemap.xml. Okay. Google understand this website only through this sitemaps only. Here we can see this website links, right? Drupal, iOS, like that, Java developer, like that. Many links will be here, right? Google understand by this links through blogs, hired Node.js developer, hired. These are the separate pages. Blogs and new banking, blogs category, like that. The every pages of the links, these links will be in the code format. Here, code format. Google understand by the link for this only for this code format only. So if I just copy this, see, this is the page. Okay, so we can see this page, but Google understand only for this code format only. You can see any page. It's under this page is called sitemap. This is a sitemap. Through the sitemap only, Google understand every page and every website links. This link is not currently active. They're having multiple pages, right? This multiple pages, Google can understand only through sitemap only. Clear? For example, if you want to check sitemap, the important thing, the direct way you can apply, just sitemap.xml. You can type that XML, you can type here. So directly it will be coming. The other ways you can check, go to Google, just type sitemap checker. Okay. For checking any website, you have to choose for multiple tools here. Let's say multiple tools. You can check for any tools. These are the tools for sitemap. Okay. So I'm checking for this website, SEO Optimal. You just click here. Here you can give your website. Which website you want to check? You just copy this website. So you want to check this for sitemap is available or not. Just copy here and check. So it's loading. So once it's complete, it will be show the result. Your website appears to have an XML sitemap. So the website is having sitemap. This is the sitemap URL. Developer one comes at sitemap.xml. Okay. So if you check for any website like that, you can check here. There will be multiple tools. See, there will be multiple tools. You can check any tools. If you go for this XML site checker or site you can check this tool also. Any tool you can check. For example, if any one of the tool is not working, you can use some other tool also. Just check it. I think it's not, this website is currently not working here. So you can check some other. So most of the tools are free tools. You can check. You can check manually or you can check the tool. This is the checklist for every website. Sitemap is needs to update. Google understand to this website only through sitemap only. Every website we need to update sitemap. See, yeah, here the sitemap is updated. So this URL is here. Okay, so this is the sitemap updation technique. For example, if the website not having sitemap, the website is not having sitemap, we need to generate sitemap. Just type sitemap generator. Okay, you just, if your website is not having sitemap, just a sitemap generator. Here you can give XML sitemap generator. Okay, just type here. See, here you can give your website. If any website you are not having this sitemap, you just give this website and use click start. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes of time because it's loading here. See here, it's loading all our pages in the website, completely analyzing our website. Then finally it will load our site. See, in the right side itself, every page it will be loaded. So this is the website. So this is the website. The entire website it will be loaded here. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes. So once it's ended, it's finally downloaded some sitemap. Okay, see, it's loading every pages. These pages have a lot of block pages will be there. So it's down. It's scanned every pages. So once it's scanned done, so finally it will fetch the sitemap for this. Okay, so it's I think it will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Likewise, we can, if we go for any website, the new website, most of the new websites are not having sitemaps. Only through sitemap only Google can understand our links. Okay, still loading. So okay, it will take time. In the meantime, we can go for it. It's still loading. Okay. So once it's done, I will tell. Okay. So this is the sitemap for this. Okay, this is the sitemap. So mostly, what is sitemap? A sitemap is a file that shows the structure of a website, including pages and content and the relationship between them. Okay, so that only I am telling this. It's completely about what is the structure. You can see here. I think I'll do this. So you can see the entire structure. This is the home page, and this is the blog page. This is the hire Node.js developer page. This is the CMS page. So the entire section of the site it will be shown here. Okay, the file shows the structure of a website, including its pages and contents. Mostly the important thing is search engines uses these sitemaps to crawl websites more efficiently. If you want to rank in Google, your website must have sitemap. Search engines understand your website only through sitemap only. See here, having a sitemap is an important part of SEO. This is important. For every thing, sitemap is important. There are two types of sitemap will be there: XML sitemaps, HTML sitemaps. Now we can see about in the sites we can check about XML sitemaps only. XML sitemaps only you can check. HTML sitemaps in the sense it's a larger website like Amazon, Flipkart. It's a larger website they're using these HTML sitemaps. But most of the mini websites and normal websites are created to XML sitemaps only, like that similar format. Okay, still it's loading like the similar format. Okay, so XML sitemaps actually it's a predefined format for the search engine such as Google. This is the predefined format. This format only search engine can understand. Okay, there will be two attribute will be there: last mode and href flag. Last mode in the sense, for example, if you want to add a new website in this page, in the developer content, you want to add new link. The new link you can add here. Any new link you can add here. So that link will be depend on this last mode attribute. It shows that the new link was added in the website. This href flag in the sense it shows the geographic location. For example, if you added in any specific location, Chennai or Hyderabad, that location geographic it will be shows that sitemaps only. Clear? It's completed. Now I'm generating sitemap. Just see here, I just click view sitemap details. So for grow display, it will be solid sitemap. I just downloading here. So this is a sitemap. Just a minute. Yeah, this is a sitemap for this website. For this website, we can create. See, if you click this specific pages, the specific page is opening. I just select this URL and copy this and paste here. The training page is opening. So the entire structure, if I go to some other page, so here blog, contact, multiple, right? The entire sitemap is here. So if we're typing for this blog, the blog page. So through this sitemap only, it will be fetched by the Google. Google will be fetched. Clear? Clear? Any understood? Any doubts? Clear? Yeah. Thank you. Clear? Just type clear. Any doubts? Okay. 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 Thank you. So like that, XML sitemaps will be there. The next one is page speed. Next one is page speed. Nowadays, actually, every website need a page speed. Okay, speed is very important. The page speed, in the sense, for example, I'm just typing this website. How much time it will take time to load this site? Okay, the time needed for every site. Okay, because most of the people nowadays missing many leads because of timing only. For example, someone searches in you searches buy mobiles online, like that you can search like this. Okay, so if search like this, you go to this GeoMart. If I click this, it's loading sometime. It will take like that. It will loading. It will take some time. Obviously, what you will do, you go for some other sites. You go to some other site. This is fast lead captured, so it will go in some other sites. So the site speed is very important for every website in online. Site speed is very important. Okay. So in Google, you check for website speed checker. Website speed checker. There will be multiple tools here. Also, page speed tool will be there, pingdom tool will be there, GD metrics, SE ranking. These are the free tools you can check for. For the website speed test, the most famous tool is pingdom. Here, just if you want to check any website, for example, I'm checking for this Grow with Digital Experts, this website. I just check for start test. So it's loading. The speed is very important. The good website speed is it's 3 seconds and less than 3 seconds, it will be good. If it's more than 3 seconds, we need to optimize it. Okay, if the website speed is 3 seconds and below 3 seconds, it will be good. So it's loading for this site. So for every website, we need to check the website speed plays a major role for ranking here. See here, this is the load time. It's loading, it's showing here. So this load time is 2.98 seconds. It's around 3 seconds or less. So it's a good page speed. If 3 seconds or 3 seconds or less, it will be a good page speed. If it's more than 3 seconds, we need to optimize it. So this site is, I think it's really good for it to ranking. For search engine, it will be good to rank. So if you check for some other sites, we check for developer on this site. This start test. It's loading, just a minute. So it's yeah, it's done, I think. Yeah. So it's loading. See, this load time is around, see, this pane is entirely loaded. This load time is above 3.57 seconds. Okay, so I already told that if 3 seconds or less than 3 seconds is a good for load time. If it's more than 3.57 seconds, we need to check. We need to optimize some websites. We need to compress the images like that. These things are done by the developer. We just insist to the developer. The load time is it's above 3.5 seconds. We need to compress it. So if it's less than 3 seconds only, it will be good to optimize. So we suggest it. Okay, though the website speed is more important for this. So the web page speed is the amount of time it takes for a web page to load. How much time it will take? Okay. So if what are the factors it depends on? Its factors depend on web hosting, because every website, this website is loading, right? This entire space is stored on hosting only space. In online they're having space. That space is called hosting. Okay, it's depend on web hosting, this page size, how much size this page having, that page size. So these all factors it's having. Image compression, image, if this images have high this is not high end, you can need to compress it. So like that, the entire factor depends on the speed, load speed. Okay, search engines, if you want to rank in Google, you want to, you having your website must have good page speed. Okay, always search engine rankings, the slow slides negatively affect user experience. If you want the slow slides, your website is very slow, it affects the search engine rankings. Okay, this is a thing for the page speed. You're mostly having this. There's an important tool called also Google Page Speed Insight. This is also one tool for checking page speed. You just check for Google Page Speed Insights. Okay, so this is the tool here. It is a Google free tool. You can check tool here also. You just go for this. You just type here. So I'm checking for this tool. Just analyze it. So here, this technique is complete for two. It is shown. We can check mobile, how it shows on mobile and how it shows on desktop. These two metrics we can check. It's completely loading here. For example, most of the users coming from mobile nowadays. See here, this from mobile, it's good accessing. It's accessing good. There will be some metric. These metrics I can explain later. So totally, the second speed index is 3.1 second. In some other metric, it will be I can check 3.7. Here, little bit different. These are the free tools, so little bit different here. So if you go for desktop, it is 1.5 second. It's a good speed. Okay, this is the speed index. So in page speed index also we can check here. These are the other tools for this. In the previous slide, we can check here it's 3.57 seconds, but here it will show 3.1 second. These are the free tools, so this much of difference will be there. If you go for the paid tool, that you get the approximate data. Okay, but those things we can cover for this tool. So this is the Google Page Speed instance. We can check for any websites and can finally finding the URL in the better sites. Okay. The next thing is it's clear. Page speed is clear. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Clear. So next one is canonical URL. Yeah, someone is asking something. Yeah, Lujula, notes will share by your team. Yeah. Last point is the page speed. So we discussed about the page speed, right? So in the Google Page Speed Insights also we check the speed index, how it ranks, what is the page speed of this. Those only we're checking the list. Clear? Okay. See, HTML sitemap is completely for larger websites. We can't show this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Next one is canonical URL. So canonical URL in the sense, actually, it's simply about this. We having these two sites, it's automatically searching Google search. Okay. For example, if it is the prioritized to avoid repetitive content that doesn't provide unique value in search results. Think about this. People are searching in the two ways. For example, it's www. Like that, they go to the website. Like the www.growwithdyslexia.com. It's going to this website. It's going to this landing page. Okay. Now I am searching https colon www http double colon like that. I'm not using www. So this is also points to the same landing page. Okay. The thing is, the landing page, if the landing page have two URLs, it points to the same version, that is canonically is optimized. If the two URLs have different landing pages, it's canonically is not there. Got it? Clear? So that is a no duplication of URL. For the same landing page, we're having multiple URLs, but it's not duplicated. We're having the same URLs only. So for every URL, we can check for this. The same thing if you type for www dot, it's also pointing to same URL. If you're sending to HTTPS, colon, it's also pointing to the same URL. These two URLs pointing to the same URL only, same website only. If it points to different website, the canonical is not optimized there. Okay, that is canonical. No duplication pages for the same website. Okay, so just type for canonical checker, canonical tag checker. You can check in the Google also, canonical tag checker. So the many websites will be there. SEO optimizer, like the SEO, these tools you can repeatedly you can check in here. So I'm checking for this tools array. So just give your website and just check here. So if canonical tag is available, you can give yes. It's not, it mentioned no. Like that you can know for every website we need to give canonical. Yeah, its canonical tag is available. So it shows that its canonical tag is available. Okay. So if you check for multiple website, some other website you can check. We need to check for every website for Google search engine ranking. We must have canonical tags for every website. It's loading. Yeah, it is available. It's available. 200. It's available. It's correct. It's available. So it's mentioned 200. Okay. So it's prioritized to avoid showing repetitive content that doesn't provide unique value in search results. For the two URLs, it points the same landing page only. So that is the thing here meant for. Google will likely choose the canonical URL for indexing and ranking. If you want to rank in Google, if you want to rank your website in Google, canonical tag is must optimized here. Okay, so here given the rand example, here the two pages, HTML example, sorry. So HTML example.com/blog page 1. There will be two pages will be there, but two pages pointing to the same URL only. This is canonical URL. This is non-canonical URL, like that. So like that HTTPS www. I can tell the same result. HTTPS. So it is also pointing here. For www, I'm doing this. It's pointing to the same landing page. So this is the thing you can understand from here. Canonical. Got it? Clear? Clear? Any doubts on this? Clear? It wants to, there is no duplication of URLs in the pages, Nilis. There is no duplication of URLs. If in the search, some people come from www dot, some people come HTTPS, but it's not going to the different pages. Both point to the same home page only. Okay. Same names canonical will find. Same URL, not names, Sumita. Same URLs. Domain URL in the sense this is the URL. This is the URL. This is the URL. Got it? Clear? Same URLs, yeah. See, it's a technical word, Siri. Canonical in the sense completely, it's a technical word named between two URL. For example, if people are coming from HTTPS, www, people are coming from www, some people are coming from HTTPS. If both two separate page means it will be confused of the website. So both points to same URL, same landing page. So Google will accept that these both pages are same. So canonical is used. They accept this. It's a technical word only. Got it. Siri. Clear. Yeah, it's automatically how it's having this. See, if generated, this is a developer generated thing. If a generated thing this, if once website is created, automatically it will be in HTTP like that. Okay, it's automatically it will be coming here. So even website added, it will be loaded. www also it will be added. It points to two. It when creating the website, www grow with is a separate thing and HTTP is a separate thing. So if you want to connect these two only, Google will understand this. That's a technical term. Okay, just understand canonical. These are the technical aspects. You need to check only. These things will take care by developer only. You need to check for ranking. This we have to split the URLs like two. Like that, you can check for this. Clear? Yeah, material will share. Material will share. Finally, we can share. Okay. Then schema markup. Okay, this schema markup is this is also a technical data. For example, in Google, right? See, this is the image. In Google, you can search this kind of image, video will be there. In the search result, there will be their title will be there, their example will be there, their reviews will be there. In the search result, it will be there. In search result will be additional result. If you go to tools and any tools packages, just tools packages, just scroll down. They're having some reviews. They're having some additional details from here. They're having these prices like this here. These are additional to descriptions. This description is this only. Description is this is the description ends from this. These are the additional thing. Like that, reviews, tool packages, reviews you can type in the search. Yeah, see here 4.0 review by like that it's showing, right? This is the schema only. These are the schema. This is title. This is the description, and these are the schema. Okay, this schema we can generate through codes only. Okay, these are the schema we can generate through code only. You go for just schema generator, schema markup generator. Just type schema markup generator. For this, you want to add any additional information in Google, just type this, create here. This is the code we can generate from this. Here you can type, for example, what you want to generate schema generator, just type schema generator. Here you can generate for anything, any generator you can create. If I have a local business, just type local business. See, this is the code. This is the schema code. You can add simply your location. For example, your business address is grow GWD. You can type business address here. See, it's added name here. So business address is added here. Okay. So if you want to give your URL, just type this. This is the URL you can add here. So I'm adding this URL. Automatically the code is generated here. Okay, it's showing this www. So I'm typing this. Okay. So you can add street, or what street we can add. Automatically the street added, number added, the address added. So the code is added here. This code, for example, once you've generated this code, you just copy this code. Okay, you just copy this code and add it in your website. For example, this is the website I'm having this. This is the website. We need to add here. This we need to add in the script pages. Here you can add here. Okay, these things added by the developer. Once its developers done, it will be shown like this. In the Google, you are seeing the reviews, right? These reviews you can see here. Like that in Google search itself, you are getting these reviews. So after title and description, you are getting the enough reviews like this. In the search, if you want to add your reviews, customer ratings, reviews like this, you can use this schema. So schema markup is the code. It's a structured data that communicates the meaning of your page elements, how users should see it searching to. What are the reviews they can give? What are the users they can give? The entire thing you can give in this format. So those things we can use for this. See, you can see this review. You can see this review like this. But how search engines are this? Through this code only. We can already see that this code only Google can see. This code only Google can see. So we can generate whatever schema like this, then Google can generate. So definitely it will be showing like this type of reviews after. Once it's done, it will be sourced like this. This is the title for the data. This is the description for the data. Sorry. This is the description from the data. This is schema. This is schema. Review the schema. Clear. This is schema. So those code you update in website. So automatically it's Google fetches by this. So it will be ranking here. Clear. Understood. Clear. Yeah. Okay. So like that we can create from this. For this tool. Okay. Next one is redirection. So redirection in the sense, there will be these are the important things from this redirection. There will be different redirection will be. The first one is 301. Just think about this 301. 301 is the permanent redirect. For example, this is the site. Okay, this is the site. Here website is there. Okay, growwithexperts.com is the website is here. Okay. So if for some purposes it is moving to this URL is moving to this website. For some reasons, it is permanently this website when user hits this URL, automatically moving to this page. It's moving permanently. That is 301. Okay, it's moving redirection in the sense if some people comes to here, they're searching this https robots.txt.com, automatically it moving to developer and income. So if it's permanently moving that is 301. That metric is called 301. What is 301? It's permanently redirects one URL to another. Yeah, this one URL to this another URL is called 301 redirect. Okay, for what purpose they are doing this? Because if some people are creating some running the business, suddenly after 1 year, 2 year, they want to switch to some other new names. So that time they can shift their website landing pages to some other web pages like this. So that time they are using this 301 redirect only. Okay. Uh, these types of URL structure, these are the URL structures. So if this type of URL structures we are using, it will be better for search engine ranking. So Google can understand that this website is moving to some other website. So Google can understand this. So this is 301 redirect. Okay, this is most one of the redirection for any website. Next, in redirection, there is another redirect will be there. That is 302 redirect. 302 redirect presents for the same website. So I'm having these things will be there. Okay, I'm having this image things will be here. So for some purpose, I'm just adding here. I'm just adding this contact pages or blog pages. Some issues will be there. So I need to help developer to customize it. So for the meanwhile, time being, I just temporarily changing to this website. Someone clicks this URL for 1 or 2 days or temporary for some situation, it will be there. After that, again, it comes to the same website only. Okay, for the changes, it will be in the different page. So that is called 302. It temporarily redirects from one URL to the another. Got it? 301 in the sense it's permanently redirects from one URL to another. It's website to a new domain. 302 in the sense it's temporarily for the time being some errors will be there. If any the website is customizing something, they're adding images, adding something. So for time being, they're transferring the link to some other. So that is called 302 redirect. Mostly where 302 redirect is used, testing new pages. For example, here I'm just adding for this website, they try to add a AI page. So they need to add AI page. For the time being, they try to add this URL to other pages. So for testing new pages, they will try. Okay. Even every website must have website maintenance. They need to check the monthly 1 day. They check the website support maintenance, how it will be going. So that time it will be off. So that time also this URL is pointing to some other URL. So that time it will be okay. Like that, we are using this temporary redirects, right? It doesn't affect SEO. Okay, it doesn't affect. If it changes permanent, it will be different. But this type of thing doesn't affect SEO. It's only for temporary maintenance. Even many websites, many companies, even all companies are doing every month one time. At least they're testing some sites and checking the between 10 minutes or 15 minutes. That time they're transferring this domain to some other page. Okay. These are the 301 and 302 redirect. Then broken links. Even broken links will be there. See, if I go to this website, okay, if I just given this one URL, there is no page in this website. Grow with this website /258. There is no page in this URL. So I'm just clicking this. So if there is no page means it shows page not found. The error is 404. So this is a broken links. Okay. If there is no page in the website, automatically the Google retrieves the result 404. Okay. Understood. So first we tell about 301. 301 is the permanent redirect. 302 is the temporary redirect. If there is no, it's a dead link. Broken links is called as dead link. Okay. There is non-existent page in the sense there is no page in the sense. There is no page. Okay, there is no page. They occur when a page you are linking is deleted without the redirection links pointed to it. It's up sometimes, for example, this page is there. If the service pages is there, okay. If you're clicking this contact page, suddenly this page is deleted by the user. That time also it shows 404. But currently this page is available now. But if any pages is deleted, that time also it will be showing 404. Or if the page is not happen, that time also the page is showing 404. Okay, user who's click on the broken link will see an error. User when click on the link, seeing an error, that is called broken link. Okay, if the site is everything clear, if the site is okay, it shows 200. 301 is the permanent redirect. 302 is the temporary redirect. If there is no page, that is a broken link. 404. If the site is okay, if I am telling this, if the site is okay. For example, I'm just so I'm doing training. So currently this page is available. So if the page is available, this shows 200. It shows 200. It shows 200. Okay. This is the layer for every backlinks we do check. Okay, every checking for this server. For this, you can check for redirection checker. You can check directly, or you can check tool also, redirection checker. You check for redirection checker. Here there is an option called check your status code 301 or 302. Just click this. Here giving your website. For example, I'm giving this website. Okay. If you want to analyze this website, I just click and analyze here. And analyze here. So it shows this. See, there is no redirection is done. So it shows 200. If the page is correct, it shows 200. If the page is permanently redirect, it will be 301. So temporary redirect, it will be 302. But here the page is correct. There is no problem with this. So it shows 200. Okay. See, randomly I'm giving this 1, 2, 3. There is no pages like this. See here. I just copy this and click here. Sorry. This page, there is no page, so error, so it shows 404. So I'm checking the same page here also. See, it shows this 404 not found. So this page is not error. Page is error. So if page is error, it shows 404. Okay, likewise, you can check every link for this also. For this, you can check other tool called broken links checker. For 404, you can check for broken links checker. Okay, you can check this type of tools also. You can check any tools. You can check any tools like here. Just give the and just find broken links. If any broken links will be there, it shows this. So it's asking security codes. Just X. So what are the broken links in the site? It is checking our websites also. It's loading. It's completely loading. So once it's done, if any broken links is available in the website, it just give the data for this. So we need to check the broken links also for every website. It's loading. I think it will. There will be more pages. I think so. It will take more time. I think. Okay, so it's loading. I think. Wait a minute. Okay. So likewise, we can check for this broken links for every pages. Once it broken link is coming, it shows 404 page. Okay, still it's loading. I think it will take more time, but finally it will appear on this. So like the broken links, it also shows 404 error code. Okay, that shows it's 404 error code. HTTP error 404 page will it open certain URL. Okay, it is also having typo error. For example, in the URL you can go for this. Currently, this website is not having it. Also will be there. This is the training page. Okay, just I'm editing here. So there is no currently I delete the G. I just typing this. So if the page is not there, it will be replicated. But if the I'm giving the wrong page, so it shows this page not found. Okay. So like that is also it will be happen this. Okay. So the website owner also is changing the URL linking to the another page. That time also 404 sometimes it happens. So this is the error usually having. It's 404 error. If the page is having broken link, it will be showing 404 error. Clear? Clear? Yeah, dead link. Dead link. Yeah, Sunita. It's a dead link. Dead link in the sense there is no page is available there. Correct. So this is the technique for this. We discussed about this page metrics, right? There'll be three types of metrics will be calculated. The first one is time to first byte. This short name TTFB. Okay, TTFB in the sense how long it takes for the page begin loading. So I'm just typing this. How much time it will take to load first chart. That is called TTFB. Time taken to it's come first to byte. Okay, that is a how TDFB. First contentful paint in the sense if I'm loading this web page, right, how much time the first element, the logo or this text, first element, how much time it will take. That is called first contentful paint. Okay, on load time. This website completely it's loading, right? The home, about us, training, entirely it will be loading, right? That entire load time it will mention as on load time. Okay, the every metric we need to calculate. Time to first byte in the sense the first page, how much time it will take, loading time. First contentful paint in the sense the first element or logo or something, the text, what it will appear first. That is the first contentful paint. Onload time in the sense it completely the current content of the page. Fully this complete content, how much time it will take. That is the onload time. Got it? Clear? Screen is invisible. My screen is visible or not? I think I share this clear. Okay, clear. Okay. Okay, this is the onload time. Then this Google's core web vitals. Google's core web vitals. This is also one tool for this. Even go to Chrome like this. Just okay. Just go to Chrome. Just type Lighthouse Chrome extension. Okay, Lighthouse Chrome extension. Okay, when you type this Lighthouse Chrome extension, this is the store. Just click this. I just already added this. If you want to add new, here it will be in the add to Chrome. Okay, so I already added, so it will be there. Once you add the Chrome, this extension is like this. This is the Lighthouse. Okay, this is the Lighthouse. Okay, so this tool is mainly if you want to generate report any errors from your website, you want to check why speed is low, how much is optimized, the entire thing you can take from here. Just go to this website and generate. So it's loading completely. It's loading completely about the report. For any website, you can check this. Here you just pointed out the issues and you can give to the developer and clear it. Okay. Here you can mention the issues. What are the issues you are facing to for the page speed in mobile and desktop? You can check everything here. It's loading. Understand it. Okay, see here. This is a mobile here. In the mobile, it's showing 61. It's showing performance. Okay, 61 performance. See here, this is the first contentful paint. What is the first contentful paint? If I'm just growwithexperts.com, the first element it will be showing that the home or logo, the loading. The first element that showing that is called. Sorry, I think I missed it. The first element is showing that is called this 3.3 seconds. When you open the website, the first element it will load. That time is 3.3 seconds. This largest contentful paint in the sense. See, when I open the site, first this image will open, then this, finally the entire it will be open. This is step by step opening the website within this time of seconds. So the entire website opening time is 8.6 seconds. I always mention this if 3 seconds is good for it, but here 8.6 seconds it will be there. Okay. Then cumulative layout shift. What is cumulative layout shift? Cumulative layout in the sense, for example, your website is optimized for mobile, optimized for desktop, for any devices. There will be multiple mobile devices will be there. For all devices, this screen will be visible. That visibility checkout is cumulative layout shift. Got it. So for this metric only you can find everything. So you need, these are the errors. What are the errors? Mostly you can compress the images and the lightweighted elements you can add. Don't add much add quality images but less weighted sizes. Compress the images. Like these are the technical things. But you need to check this. You need to know about this. The first content full paint, largest content full paint, and cumulative layout shift. First content full paint in the sense how much time the first interaction will happen, and largest content full in the sense the entire site how much time it will take. Cumulative layout in the sense it's looking on any sites or any devices, it will be correctly optimized. That is cumulative layout shift. Okay, these things we can mention. Don't need to mention. Largest contentful maintenance, it how long it takes your sites to main content. Entire site will be low. First input delay in the sense how much the first interaction it will happen. That is the first interaction. Okay. Cumulative layout in the sense how much user experience for the any website, they can mobile, desktop, some other mobile devices, any devices it will be in the correct form. So they're giving some idea for largest content field, the entire website it will be load. The correct process is 2.5 seconds. If it is 2.5 seconds or less, that is a good thing. They can suggest. First input delay in the sense, if you load our website, right, the first time it will be the website will be coming 100 milliseconds or less. That is a good scenario they can tell. If it is 100 milliseconds or less, it is a good site they can suggest. Okay, and also for cumulative layout sheet, for any devices your website can optimize, that score they can mention 0.1 or less. This is the ratio for this. So for this metrics we can optimize our website, it will be easily rank in Google, and also within the less optimization it will be ranking Google. Okay, so these are the steps they followed for this. For they're having three categories. This is the LCP. LCP in the sense this largest contentful paint, it's short format. Largest contentful paint short format LCP. First input delay short format FID. Cumulative layout short format CLS. Okay. So for LCP they are good. They suggested 2.5 seconds. Need improvement. If it is greater than or equal to 4 seconds, we need to improvement. If it is greater than 4 seconds, see, if it is less than or equal to 4 seconds, you need to improvement. If it is greater than 4 seconds, we need to check about the sites. Same first input delay. It's less than or equal to 100 milliseconds is good. Less than or equal to 300 is improvement. Greater than 300 is called poor. So CLS for any devices 0.1 is the common thing. Less than or equal to 0.25 is it's improvement. It's greater than 0.25. There is a problem. It's not appeared here. Got it. So like that, we can optimize for it. So these are the steps we can follow from this any pages. Clear? Clear? Any doubts? Okay. Yeah, Nilesh. Yeah, clear. Okay. 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 Take a break. After 10 minutes, we can correct. Take a break. Hi guys, shall we start? Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. So I just share the screen. You can continue now. So the next one is mobile friendly site. We need to check this next metric is mobile friendly. Mobile friendly site in the sense because nowadays most of the users seeing the website through mobile only. Okay, they are seeing through mobile only. So if the website is currently optimized to mobile, it will be better to get more traffic. And also the status tell that 60 percentage of internet traffic from mobile devices only. Okay, so the search ranking, the search engine prefer that every website should optimize for mobile. Okay, because most of the websites still have optimized for desktops only. Okay, but we need to optimize for mobile. That is important thing. So for that, you just go to Google, you check for mobile. Just checking for this. Okay, website mobile friendly checker you can check. Mobile friendly test you can check. Mobile friendly website or mobile friendly test anything you can check. So you can check for any website. It's optimized correctly to mobile friendly or not. You just give this website and check it's an analyze here. It's loading, I think. We need to check for every website for like this tool that if it is mobile friendly, it will be search for Google ranking. So it's showing here. See here, this website is loading for this mobile. So it's currently optimized. So it's so that 62 percentage. It varies from 0 to 100. Above 80 is the good, 50 to 70 is the average, and below 50 is the poor. So it's an average, but still no, we need to optimize for mobile friendly. But some of the devices still it needs some issues. So, but currently it is mobile friendly. We can check the checklist as yes, but we need to optimize something for better improvements. So, like that, every website we need to check for this. Okay, there will be many websites for this. Not only for this tool, you can check for some other SEO Meta. There many tool will be there. Their interface will be different, but here also there will be result will be coming. It's loading. Next time. I think it's take time. Some of the if we check for 3 or 4 websites, 2 websites will be good and other website will be slow, but we check the data from different sources. Yeah, it will be, I think, take much time, I think. Okay, so you can check this is a mobile we need to check for mobile friendly test. Okay, so that is an important thing. So next one is robots.txt. Okay, this is a technical word. Robot.txt in the sense the set of instructions telling search engines which pages should and shouldn't crawl on a website. Okay, this is the site. For example, this is the site. Okay, here this PHP development company. Here this having URL. If we want to show in this URL in Google, we just tell robots to check this. Okay, if you want to don't show this URL, for example, if you want to don't the software development company, this URL, if you want to don't show this in Google, you just inform to robots, please don't show in Google. Okay, robot.txt is a set of instructions telling search engines which pages should and shouldn't crawl on a website. Okay, in the Google search result, so I'm searching developer on this website. Okay, so why it is this in developer and there will be multiple sites, multiple pages will be ranking. This is ASP.NET, this is database developer, contact us, multiple ranking. Why it is ranking? It's based on robots.txt. Robot.txt is the information which page should crawl or which page shouldn't crawl. If suddenly if you Google this website owner thinks that this page is not to crawl, for example, this page is about web app development company, this website owner thinks this URL is not supposed to index in Google. So that time, what they tell robots to please don't show this in Google. Got it? So this file is located in the root directory. This file is mentioned as like this. This is the file user agent dot start user agent dot allow disallow. Okay, simply it will be called as in notepad. I'm just telling a notepad. Right? So it's telling user agent dot star. This is the code. User agent dot star. Okay. So if it mention allow means it's mentioned allow like slash means this entire website is allowed in the Google. Okay, allowed indexed in Google. If anyone wants to, if any URL doesn't want to rank in Google, you just type disallow. Okay, for example, this URL is not want URL. You just copy this URL and just typing here. So if I give like this to robots.txt in instructions, this URL is deleted in search engine. It's not showing in the search engine. Got it? Clear. So this is the user agent in the sense it's technically called Google search engine. User agent is search engine. Here it mentioned DuckDuckBot, but it is a search engine Google. Okay, allow disallow, allow in the sense which it's completely so in the website. Disallow in the sense which page you don't want to crawl. That is disallow. This is the step here using for robot.txt. Clear? Yeah, again I am telling. No issue. No, Siri, I can tell again. No issues. See, think about this. This website have multiple URLs, right? This website, for example, see, click UX designer. Here the URL is there. If I go to Java developer, this URL will be there. These these results will be indexed in Google. Indexed in Google. Like that, if you go for Google, you go for Google. See here, these are the URLs will be indexed. These are all the career page, ASP.NET page. If I click this page, it's go to ASP page. ASP page. Okay, like that many pages are indexed. How this will be indexed? These pages are shown because of robots. Robots only gives instruction. We just give instruction to robots. Please allow to show in search engine these pages. If I am not interested in to show this contact us page in search engine, I just instruct the robots to please not allow these pages. So we give disallow. Got it? Like that, these two instructions will be do. If it give disallow, which page we not want to show, we can give disallow. If we want to show any pages, it just means allow. This is the instructions, technical instructions we can give to the source code to Google. Then Google can understand it. Google can understand this. Robots only can understand which page you want to add, which page you want to remove. Those instructions is understand by robots.txt only. Clear? Clear? Clear or still doubts? Siri? Clear, right? Nilesh is telling, can you show? Yeah, okay, Siri. Yeah, robots.txt. Yeah, we can check. We can, Nilesh, I will check this. See, for robots.txt, you just to Google, just type robots.txt checker. Okay, you can check the text also from any or any website. You can check these tools also. There's a multiple tools, same the similar format. You can do this SEO optimer. So if you want to check for any website, you can give this how this code will be there. So I'm checking for this developer rent. Okay, just check. See here they are using this website is using robots.txt. So just copy this code and see here the code. See this is the code. User agent dot star allow it showing the entire page to scroll into Google. This is the code. Use the robot.txt. Clear? Clear, Nilesh? Yeah. Okay. Clear. Okay. Computer didn't understand English language. They understand the code language. Correct. So that is the code. It will be understand this. Computer is not search engine. Okay. So the next final metric is security. Security in the sense secure socket layer. Okay, it's SSL. It's mentioned as SSL, secure socket layer. Secure socket layer in the sense it's a safety tool for websites. Okay, for example, this is the website. So I'm just using this website. If someone attacks my website, steal the content from the website, so like that it will happen, right? Password stealing, some other information stealing, so it will happen, right? For that we need to protect our website. But every website needs SSL, secure socket layer. This is important. Okay, protection in the sense you can check protection through. If you go to this corner and click this, here it's showing this connection is secure. It's locked. So it's locked means it's protected. Here SSL is enabled. If the symbol shows it will be locked, so here SSL is enabled. They are doing secure socket layer. They enable their protection. If the lock is open, so they are not using SSL. The site is not protected. This is the way you can check here. Okay. Even you can check in the multiple thing. You go for SSL checker. Okay, you can check for SSL checker. You can check any site. So you can check SSL checker also through which website will be ranked. You just give this. For example, if you want to click this and check the SSL is available or not. Mostly this is the site, old site. It's not getting correct information. So you can check for this site. You can give this website. You give check SSL. SSL server certificate. They are enabled here. So it shows that SSL server certificate is enabled here. Got it. So you can check for any website. Like that, you can check for this developer and rent.com. You can check for this. Okay. So here SSL certificate is there. So SSL certificate is there. So it's also enabled. So other ways you can correct directly. Go to this and check here. Connection is secure. It's protected. So secure socket layer is a safety tool for websites. It makes sure that information like passwords, payment details between you and the website is kept secret. If you're having a website, any passwords, information like that, any you're having, it will be kept secret. Okay. Think of it the lock on the door to keep your information safe. So this is the thing. For any website, there's a lock on the door, right? So it shows that the information is secure. So that's the thing they're explaining here. So there is a two kind of thing is that HTTP and HTTPS. Here it shows this. If you click here, it is HTTPS. Here, right? It's HTTPS. Okay. See here. HTTP is the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Its full name is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's the language used by websites to show your pages, pictures, links. Using this only, you can see these images, pictures, everything you can see here. This HTTP only you can see here. Okay, but it is not safe because the information can seen by others while it travels between your computer and the website. Okay, if HTTP only you are having, information is usually stealed by the. It's not secure. People can easily hack your website. So always use HTTP. This is enabled, then only this will happen. Information here it will be more secure. You will see the padlock icon in the browser bar while seeing using HTTPS. Yeah, this is the padlock icon. This is the padlock icon. This two arrow right and left. This is the padlock icon. If you click this, this connection is secure zone. So only HTTPS only you will be in the secure mode. Okay. So they're telling what is the difference between HTTP? HTTP is not secure, it's unsafe. HTTPS it's secure site. HTTP information can be stolen easily. Your information can be stolen by someone. Here information is safe. No padlock in the browser. If it is HTTP, if it is not secure, it shows no padlock. Like this padlock is not appear. This parallax is not appear if it is not HTTP. If it is HTTP, okay. So only if it is HTTP secure only if the parallax is shown. Clear? Yeah, attendance will share it. Clear? How to lock our website? You can use SSL, Siri. You can use SSL. You can just activate secure socket layer in your website. HTTP not secure, HTTP is secure. Yeah, Sunita. Okay, clear. So these are the metrics. What is canonical URL? Nilesh is asking again. See, canonical in the sense, mostly people are searching. Developer only creating this website, right? So think about this. Developer is creating this website. Developer creating for this website for desktop. You are seeing the desktop. It is having one URL. For mobile, they can create some other URL. It may be change some other URL. Google don't understand the two URLs for mobile one URL, desktop one URL. If it both lands to one landing page, it mentioned that it's named as canonical. Okay, because Google don't understand it. Developer can create two pages for this. Two pages are same only. How it is enabled only through canonical. So that time canonical tag is enabled. Clear? Understood? Yeah. There is a thing for this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is the these are the things for this. So we can discuss about this multiple metrics for this. For every metric, we need to find from this. Okay. So these are the metrics we need to check for every website. If you want to rank in Google, you must clear the technical errors. You just understand sitemaps, how sitemaps can be you can check for this. Then canonical URL you can check. Then schema markup, how to getting the search results like this. That redirection 301, 302, like that you can go for this. Then page speed you can check for this. How it is enabled for good speed you can check for this. Then mobile friendly site. Mobile friendly site in the sense if you want to your website will be must be mobile friendly. Then security SSL, HTTPS secure will be your site will be having. Then robots.txt. If you want to allow which URL will be shown in Google and which URL you can prevent from the Google that you can go from robots.txt. So this entire thing you can optimize here. Okay. Only these things are optimized only, then only your site will be getting text. If you want to rank in Google, see the keyword ranks that I'm searching this. So this keyword ranking for this website, it's only for first they done on page. After on page, they can do technical SEO. These things they can cover. Then only we can go to the next step. In SEO, now we can do the second step. After that, third step will be there. That is we can discuss on tomorrow. Okay, like that the check by check we need to check for all metrics. Then we'll be ranking in Google. Got it clear? Any doubts? Any doubts you can ask. What examples for this? What example you need, please? Yeah, Smita, we at the end of the session, they will share the notes. They will have the PDF. No doubts. Okay, no doubts. Oh, canonical with non-canonical. You're asking for this. See, mostly I think you are confused with this. You just see the slides, okay? But right there, can you see the slides? Slides are in the better idea. See the canonical tag. See these both are same only. Sorry, these both are same only. HTTPS example.com/blog. This is actually they are creating the URL. Okay, this is the URL. Okay, but in the mobile version, they can create the same URL http example.com blog page one. This is the mobile version. Okay, but if anyone comes to this page also, they comes to the same page. That is canonical. If they clicks to in the mobile version, if they click to this page, it goes to some other page that is non-canonical. Understood? Understood or not? Yeah, Sunita is correct. Different URL can show same website. That is the exact meaning. Website is the same page. Okay. So this is canonical or non-canonical. Yes. Any other doubts? Yeah, Nilesh, correct. Then now we understood, right? Finally. Okay, if any doubts you can ask, or we go to the knowledge checking questions. Clear? If meant clear, just type clear. Okay, clear. Okay, okay, then we move to the knowledge checking questions. So the first question, what is the primary purpose of technical SEO? C, 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 okay. Most people are telling C, okay, C, 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 okay, C, okay, C. I think all are telling C, okay, C, C, okay, C, 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 okay. More answers, more answers. I think all are telling C. No one is telling the different option. Hmm. Okay, I think C is the correct answer. To optimize a website for search engine crawling, indexing, and ranking. Yeah, good. C is the right answer. Which of the following, the second question, which of the following ensures that search engines understand which versions of a page to index in case of duplicates? Just uh, okay, okay. B, B. Okay, B, B, B. Okay, B. Okay, B. Okay. Yeah, we'll share attendance link anybody. B. Okay, most of the people are telling B. Yeah, B is the right answer. Tag is the right answer. Good. What does the robots.txt file do? B. Okay. B, B. Still people are telling B. I think B, B. Tanisk is telling C. I think Tanisk is a different answer. B, B. Okay. B. Okay. B, still having more B's. Okay. Yeah. B is the right answer. It blocks search engines from accessing specific parts of a website. So, fourth question. Which of the following is not a core web vital? Just read it and answer it. Not a core web vital. C. Okay. C. C. Okay. C. Okay. C. I didn't understood the question, HK. Yeah, again, I will share it. Which of the following is not a code orbital? That is the question, HK. C, C, C. Okay. So most of the people are telling C. Yeah, C is the right answer because largest contentful point, first input delay, cumulative delay. These are all the parts of code orbital. So bound set is different from this. Got it. Okay. What is the ideal status code to use when redirecting a permanently moved page? A 301 okay, okay, 301 301 answer is telling penalty telling okay, sorry, HK is telling Nilesh is telling okay, okay, more answers, Musa is telling, Vivek is telling Manish is telling okay, I think all are telling only. Yeah, A is the right answer. A is the right answer. Correct. Which tool is commonly used to monitor indexing and crawlers? Any guess? C, C, indexing and crawlers. I think C, A or B. Dhanus is telling A or B. Okay. B, Anjali is telling B. Okay. Lakshmi is telling B. Harika is telling A. Sakshi is telling A. B, A or B. Gayatri, I didn't understand the question. Yeah, okay. See here, which tool is commonly used to monitor indexing and crawl errors? I think for this question, you're having the mixed answers A and B, A and B, A and B. I'm getting more A and more B also. Yeah, more answers, more answers. A, Vimla is telling B, Aisha is telling A, Anusa is telling A, HK is telling A or B, Study is telling A. So mostly you're getting confusion about A and B. Okay. Okay, I can reveal the answer. The answer is B only. Okay, many people are telling A. Google Analytics is it's completely about it's analytical done by the site. Search console, the crawl and indexing errors will happen. Okay, this in this Google Search Console I can explain in next topics also. Okay, what is the purpose of XML sitemap? I can expect more answers. B B B B B B. Okay, B B B B B B. Okay, many people are telling B. Okay, I think most of the people are telling B. I think all are listening the classes. I think. Okay, yeah, B is the right answer. To help search engines discover and index pages on your website. Yeah, what does the HRF flag tag help with? Expecting more answers. Like HRF flags. So many people are telling C, C, HRF flag. Okay, C, 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 okay. C, 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 C. Okay, most of the people are telling C. Vijula is telling C, Snega is telling C, Pratiksha is telling C. I think Shruti, Nilesh, Smita. Smita is telling D. Why? Okay, Nilesh C. Okay. HK is telling C. Akanska. Anjali is telling C. Chinmay. Okay, telling C. Asida is telling C. Okay. Okay, most people are telling C. I want more answers for this. C, C, C. B, Samika is telling B, okay. Okay, I can reveal the answer. Answer is it's C only. Okay. I think most of the people telling C only. Some people, one or two are telling A or B also. So specifying language and regional targeting for a web page. Okay. How can you improve the mobile friendliness of your website? Just try it. C, 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 okay. C. I think it's good. C, C, ensure proper report settings and tabs and elements. Okay. C, C, more C is coming. C, C, okay. C, C, C. C, C, okay, C. C, C, most of the C. I think all are telling C only. Nilesh is telling responsive website. Okay. C. Naji is telling Anasa is telling C. Kavana is telling C. C, 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 okay. So most of the people are telling C. Yeah, C is the right answer. Okay. Ensure proper viewport settings and tab friendly elements. Okay. Last question. What does HTTPS ensure for your website? B, B, B. Okay. B, 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 B. B, B, B. B, B, B. B, B. Sir, so the question Himanshu. Yeah, again I will show you. What does HTTPS ensure for a website? B, 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 B. Okay. B, 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 okay. B, 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 okay. Dhanus is telling B or C, okay. You're getting confusion, okay. B, okay. B, 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 okay. Okay, B, B, B. Exactly B. Smita is telling, okay. Yeah, B is the right answer. B is the right answer. So one more question I'm asking for this. Just give the expansion of SSL. Yes, SSL. What is the expansion of SSL? Type in chat. Yes, yes, L. Yeah, Nilesh is typing. Okay. Yeah, you can tell secure socket layer, secure socket layer, secure socket layer. Okay, secure socket layer. Okay. 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 I think. Okay. Yeah, other links will share. Will share. Will share. I think already shared. Secure socket layer. Secure socket layer. Okay. Okay. Nice. 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 Okay. 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 I think most of the people answer. Secure socket layer. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, we'll share the video. We'll share. It is a need for us. First slide, which has the types of technical SEO. Okay, we'll share this. No issues. Got it. No, not sure. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Amazing. Okay. Amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Amazing session. Okay. Thank you. Fruitful. We'll share. We'll share the PDF. Thank you for teaching us. Thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Himanshu. Thank you, Kanakala. Thank you. That was an awesome session. Thank you, Umar. Thank you. Very useful session. Thank you. Wonderful class. Thank you. Good session. Thank you. It's a very informative session. Thank you, Kansa. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Kavana. Thank you. Thank you, Vivek. Feedback link will share this. Okay. Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you. Beautiful section. So thank you, Nanda. Thank you, Disa. Thank you, Prithiksha. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. We can meet tomorrow session. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Very informative. Thank you. Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So we can meet tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, Amar.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, students. Yes, so those who are asking for the PDF, so that will be uploaded over there, MS. No need to worry of that. So you will be able to find the all PDFs over there, MS, by tomorrow end of the day. Yeah.